Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you this Telegram bot that paid me $10. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, do remember to leave a like and a subscription to get money making updates. So to get started, the first thing you're gonna do is to click on the link in the description. Okay, click on the link on the description. Once you click the link on the description, it's gonna take you to this Telegram bot. So you click on play. Once you click on the link, so it's to automatically send this start message right here. Then once you get this message from the bot, click on play. I already have an account, so I'm gonna be logged in automatically. But once you don't have an account, it's gonna take some time to open. So once the Telegram bot has been loaded, the first thing you're gonna do is to click on these three dashes right here. Once you click on these three dashes, come right to personal. As you can see right here, personal. Click on personal. Then without binding these two things, you're not going to get any reward from this Telegram bot. So click on personal, then click on profile. Once you click on profile, you can see the email right here. I've already bounded my email successfully. So once you come here, you're going to see not bound. So click on it, then enter your email address, then the verification code. In my case, I've already bounded my email address successfully. The next thing you're going to do under this personal section is to click on wallet binding. Click on wallet binding, then click on this plus button. So once you click on wallet binding, in your own case, there's nothing here. So as you can see, I've banded my USDT BEP20 wallet address. So click on this plus button right here. Once you click on this plus button, you can see the networks available, ERC20 and TRC20. So all you have to do is to move over to your Bybit or your Binance. So guys, once you've moved over to your Bybit wallet, the next thing you're gonna do is to click on assets, then click on deposits. You can use your Binance or Bybit, your crypto wallet. So click on deposits, then search for USDT. You search for USDT. So on this website, there's nothing like investment. So select USDT. Then the three networks you can add on this Telegram bot is the USDT ERC20, USDT TRC20, then the USDT BEP20 or BSC. So the BEP20 can also be the BSC address. So you have to select one. So I'm going to be using the ERC20. So this is my ERC20. I'm going to copy the address right here. Then come right here. I'm going to paste it. So once I add it to this Telegram bot, so once you've added your address to this Telegram bot, it's going to take 24 hours. Your address is going to take 24 hours to be valid. So once you've added your wallet, once you've added your address, your USDT, and then once you've added it, click on bind. Once you've added it, click on bind. So the wallet is going to be valid on this website after 24 hours. So guys, once you've done these two major stuff, all you have to do is to click on these three dashes right here. Click on these three dashes, then click on trade. You have to trade at least once to get your account valid. These are the three major things on this website. You must first bound your email address, then your wallet address, that's your USDT address, then you trade. So all you have to do is to select any coin from here. Select any crypto from here, any crypto coin from here. Once you selected any crypto coin, you are going to be using your SFC balance. So this amount right here is my SFC balance. So once you register on this bot, you're going to get 10,000 SFC. So all you have to do is to continue trading with it, as this coin is going to be launched about in the next month or around November. So once you've received your 10,000 SFC this bot, so every 1 a.m., 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. you're going to be receiving 20 rounds. Ensure you finish this 20 round. Even though you use your 20 round once in a day, you are giving a total of 6. So once you've arrived at this point, next thing you're going to do is to predict with your SFC coin whether the BTC price will go high or low. So I'm going to select. As you can see, I've earned 40 SFC. I've earned 40 SFC from predicting, and Bitcoin went high. So once this is what you're going to be doing, at least trade 20 times. Trade one of your rounds at least 20 times a day. Then the next thing on this website is come right to this place on SFC. Click on the mining disk. I'm going to be showing you what this is all about. As you can see right here, 60 rounds of free mining challenge every 8 hours. Then that is, you receive 20 rounds every 8 hours. Every 8 hours you're going to be receiving 20 rounds. And on this Telegram bot, it is predicted that in the future you'll be able to convert your SFC coin into USDT tokens. You'll be able to convert it into dollars. So start right now, as they are making plans to launch this token very soon. So as you can see right here, you can exchange your SFC for USDT at any time, allowing you to manage your assets with greater flexibility and enjoy enhanced financial freedom. That's in the nearest future, you'll be able to exchange this your SFT for USDT. So guys, right here, the main aim on this place is to invite your friends. So invite your friends. You can participate in their weekly referral ranking. So as you can see right here, this is the weekly referral ranking, and they are about to distribute 15,600 USDT and 2,200,000 SFT coin. So these are people referring. So once you refer, once you top the leaderboard, once you're among the first 800 on September 21, you're gonna be receiving some amount of USDT. As you can see right here, the top one is 500 USDT and 100,000 SFC. Then the top 2 to 10 will receive 200 USDT and 50 SFC. Then top 11 to 20 will receive 100 USDT and 20,000 SFC. This is how you do it. So you have to be referring your friends. As you can see right, I've referred about 6 people and I'm topping in the 671, and I'm going to be receiving 10 USDT, as you can see here. So to get a referral link, all you have to do is to come right here on the team section, then click on promotion link. Once you click on this promotion link, this is your referral link, so you copy right here, and bear it in your mind that once your friend does not complete the mentioned criteria in this video, your referral is invalid. So a referral must bind his email address, and then must also bind his wallet address, and you too, you must also do the same in order to make your account valid. So once your account is not valid, once I refer anybody on that day, you'll not be able to receive your bonus. So you must bind your wallet address, then bind your email address. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and your questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them.